In a situation where a department staff member has delivered contaminated instruments without adhering to proper protocol, what is the first step a central service technician should take? Is it A, return the instruments to the department, B, directly inform the supervisor about the incident, C, sterilize the instruments before any further steps, or D, communicate with the staff member about the protocol breach and its potential implications? So we can go through each of these answer options one at a time, and we'll start with A, return the instruments to the department. Well, doing so wouldn't address the behavior or educate the staff member. The contamination has already occurred, so simply sending them back doesn't prevent it from happening again, which is the concern at this point. And it may also introduce more exposure risk while transporting them again. So for these reasons, A is not the correct answer. Then we have B, directly inform the supervisor about the incident. So reporting will usually be required, but most professional policies expect that you first address a correctable behavior directly with the person involved when it's safe to do so, and then escalate it if it continues or if the situation is serious enough. So for these reasons, B is also not our correct answer. And in explaining this, we now know our correct answer, which is D. Communicate with the staff member about the protocol breach and its potential implications. This both protects future patients and staff by correcting this process, and it also respects professional communication as well as the chain of command. So D is our correct answer. But what about C? Why is C not the correct answer? Well, again, this ignores the protocol breach. Also, you should never just jump straight to sterilization of contaminated instruments. They first have to be properly contained, cleaned, and decontaminated first, and then sterilization is the next step. So once again, our correct answer is D.